In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on and enable Energy Saver mode on your Lenovo laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result should come back with settings here. Open that up. Select system on the left panel. And then on the right side, scrolling down, select the power option or entry in there. Where it says Energy Saver, expand that. And if it says always use Energy Saver, reduce power consumption and increase battery life by limiting some background activities, toggle that to the on position, and that's what you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.